I mean, before Shanks, nagla-livestream na ako just to let everyone know that there is something that you need to know, like for example a new project that you need to be aware of para ma-inform kayo. And then sa personal page ko pa yun, and of course walang nanonood. So and then mga one-on-ones, minsan DMs, tapos umabot na sa point na kailangan kong mag-engage into a call para mas madali talaga nilang maintindihan. Hanggang sa nag-pivot na ako into Shanks. And then yun na, nagkaroon ako ng page, and then doon ko binabato lahat ng mga nalalaman ko sa Web3. And then di mo alam na meron palang community na nabubuo at somehow kasi may mga interactions, may mga questions din. So, ayun lang, it's all about consistency of creating something that you think may meaning or may substance para ma-inform natin yung mga newbies. Ito yung ano ko, since I'm a very lazy guy So, ang pinaka-tip ko talaga as a tamad na tao, just sleep. Yun lang. Remember the word sleep. Pero may meaning yan. Sleep lang. Sleep meaning stay informed. And then, teka, on the spot stay informed, learn continuously, engage actively, which is what you're doing right now, educate others, and provide value. Very important yan. Just sleep, guys.